If you've been looking for a simple way to have your Apple announcements spoken out loud to you, maybe because you have poor vision and you have trouble seeing the message, such as this text I'm sending, and you could have a sound, pop-up sound, or home automation message. Let me show you a simple way that you can have it spoken out loud. Say if you have a vision issue, I'll send another text here. And here it comes.
From Frank. Good morning.
Or here's an automation message.
From home. Jeff's home. Motion detected by office motion sensor.
So any app that can generate a notification can be made to speak using iOS 16. And let me show you how you do that. Here, under Accessibility, Siri, right here, Announce Notifications on Speaker. And here you can pick which apps that you want to announce. So this works with iOS 16, which means you can go back as far as an old iPad 5 or iPhone 8. So you could put one of these around your home to speak the notifications to you, or on your own device if you just remember to lock it.